So,
Yes.
oh, sorry. Let me come here and let me give you a walkthrough what all the topics we are going to cover as part of this course. So the first thing we are going to cover a programming language that will be Java. Okay. And in Java also we are going to cover Java 17. So we're going to cover all the basic Java concepts, all the object-oriented Java concepts, and all the advanced Java concept. All these three type of topics we're going to cover in detail. After that, we're gonna move to the Selenium section. In Selenium, we have Java Selenium 3 and 4. Currently, Selenium 4 is in market, so we're gonna learn the latest Selenium. Okay. In a lot of
Okay. Okay.
projects, we have that understanding that they are using Selenium 3 still, but we're gonna move to Selenium 4 ultimately after some time, everyone. So we're gonna have the Selenium 4 understanding. In terms of DevOps side, we're gonna create our project on Maven, and you're gonna save your project into GitHub. You're gonna create a GitHub account, and then on the CI/CD side, you're gonna execute your code inside the Jenkins as well. So whatever code you guys are writing in Selenium using Java, whatever framework you are creating, like in TestNG, Cucumber, BDD, whatever it is, we're gonna execute that on the Jenkins side. Okay, so that you'll have a CI/CD implementation knowledge, how it works in projects, what is the advantage of using it. Then,
Okay.
in
Okay.
terms of execution frameworks, we have JUnit 4 for the unit testing, we have TestNG for the automation side, and we have Cucumber for the BDD side. These three are, majorly covered. And I think if you are going in any interviews or any of the project work, I think this three are sufficient to work on the projects. There is no need to go on the other frameworks, but yeah, these three are most required
Hmm.
in the automation energy. I hope you guys can understand or know that.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Apart from this, there is one new thing within the market which is called generative AI. Okay. So I'm gonna teach you how we can use this generative AI in order to work with our automation framework. So a lot of time it happens like we have to get some test data. Okay. So
Hmm.
I'm gonna teach you how we can get the test data using the artificial intelligence. Means suppose if I'm giving one scenario, so you need not to prepare any test data. Automatically, this Gen AI will prepare test data for you. It will provide your
Okay. Okay.
test data.
Uh-huh.
It will run it. So that will be right. Using a AI in your framework, and that will give you a good understanding on the AI front as well. Okay.
Okay.
Apart from this, these are some of the, I think this is something, Docker is something we're going to run our code on the, I think, containers. After that, InfluxDB and Grafana for the real-time reporting. This is like half an hour setting, and then you will be able to see all the reports. So I will not go too deep in these things. These are the plugins. You just can add a plugin in your framework, and everything is ready for to work. Then
Okay.
on the SQL side, we're gonna have MySQL server. Okay, so I'm gonna discuss with the SQL queries. We're gonna learn how to connect with MySQL, how we're gonna use our MySQL in our framework, how we're gonna run our test cases using the MySQL. So we're gonna learn that as well. Selenium Grid, running your test cases into the parallel manner into different platform independence, framework or platforms. That's something we're gonna use the Selenium Grid most of the place. SonarQube for the code quality perspective, and API testing. In API testing, we're gonna run like Postman and Rest Assured. So, and basic
Yes.
understanding on the mobile testing side. Mobile testing is
Okay. Okay.
altogether a different set of technology, to be honest. Like learning APM, you have to set up a simulator, emulator, and then after you must have that app. You have to upload that app. So it's a entirely different scenario. But I will give you the basic understanding that how the mobile testing works in a real time. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Using APM, right?
using APM. Yes. Okay,
Okay.
because obviously in the app also we have iOS and Android. So
Yes. Yes.
we're gonna have an Android app. I'm gonna give you a basic understanding how we're gonna connect, how we're gonna take the screenshot, how the inspector work, all these things. Got it? Are we good in terms of syllabus as of now?
Yeah, yeah. I think most of the things is covered what we want to learn, first of all. Yeah.
Okay. Apart from this, guys, so I will give you access to the student portal. Okay. So what this student portal is all about, let me tell you. One moment. I will just give you walkthrough on that as well. It will take 5 minutes max, not more than that. All right. So guys, once you guys will register to the course, I mean to say on this application, then you will have a badge associated in your
Mm-hmm.
dashboard. I will be your trainer and I will give a batch name to you. That's something I'll decide later on. Okay. So once you will
Yes.
open your batch, okay, you have different set of tabs over here. So let me go through one by one. So whatever course we are covering, like suppose in day one we are covering version control, in day two we are covering Eclipse, in day three we are covering architecture. Everything will be present in the course covered part and what topic we have covered. Then we're gonna have the download recording section. There you can download the recording or you can view the recording on Google Drive. There you can view the recording so that you can practice it later on as well. Okay.
Yes.
And with every topic, you will have some assignments. So there is a separate assignment I have created. But yes, in the last, you will have a view notes section. There you will have all the notes also. So all notes associated what we have learned till now, everything will be present here. You can just scroll down and learning. So this will be something the covering notes which you have. So this is about the course covered section. So in the courses, basically we're gonna have whatever course or whatever syllabus we have covered till now. We're gonna have everything available there. Okay, we good?
Uh, yes.
Next thing is assignment section, guys. In the assignment section, we're gonna have all the assignments available. Okay, and we have to. You guys have to finish those assignment. I will review those assignment, and I will provide you feedback on that as well. So this is another thing. We're gonna have around 400 assignments, to be honest. Some
Mm-hmm.
assignment will be mandatory, some will be optional, but I would like you guys to finish all the assignment. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the next thing is your exams. So we're gonna have exams on every weekly basis, guys. So every week we're gonna have one exam. Okay. I will measure your marks, how many marks you got, and what are the wrong question you have done. Everything will be available there. But yes, based on that, also you guys will get some evaluation. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Second is your real-time projects. So real-time projects will come here one by one. So if we will cover as part of syllabus, one real-time project will be enabled for you, and then you guys can start working from that. Apart from this, there will be a batch performance criteria as well. Like we do have multiple students, so how many assignments you have done, how many credits you have earned till now, those things I will cover from here only, and I will be able to see like how you are performing in your batch. You got guys?
Yes.
So point is very clear. All the required information will be present over here in this student portal, from the assignment to exam to your course cover to your notes to your I think recording. Everything is present over here. Are we good?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Then I will share you guys one link, which will be your daily joining link. Okay. So you guys have to click on this green color button. This green color
Okay.
button, I will. You guys will be directly into the session. So there is nothing like you need to wait for a Zoom link or anything like that. You can directly join from here. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if we have some announcement is something like suppose if we have some festival because like it's a December, it's a holiday time most of the company.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So in announcement section, I will announce that. So obviously you guys will get the mail regarding to that. Suppose if I'm not available today or if I'm not gonna take, obviously we'll have a WhatsApp group as well. But yeah, I will update here as well. All those things.
Okay. Okay.
Are we good?
Yes.
Okay. So this is a very simple walkthrough, guys, which you're gonna have in this student portal. Okay. If you guys have any doubt, you can ask me, else we can start the installation section. Yes, I think Sarang is also joined. Sarang and Swapna. Hello.
Hello.
Hey,
Yeah.
hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Okay.
Just I joined right now
Okay.
because of in schedule time. I thought that it's on 8 p.m.
Right.
But
Actually, scheduled time is 8 only, but the problem is today, actually, I want you guys to join that time. Okay?
yeah, okay, you may have recorded sessions there. Please share
Yeah,
me
you
that
guys
around
will have the
6.
recording
Yeah,
session.
yeah. Okay, please continue.
Okay. So today, I think we're gonna have a very simple installation session, guys. Sarang, you can stop your video. No need of video.
1 second, just a minute.
Okay. Hi, Swapna.
Hi,
Hi. Hi, Swapna. How are you doing?
doing great. How are you?
I'm good as well. So, Swapna, you are from US or India?
US.
US. Okay. So probably it must be your morning, right? You are in West time
Yes,
zone, CST or EST?
CST.
CST. So that will be your
Yeah,
8:30 a.m., right?
yes. But they have told me that session will be the session will be at 8:30. So I
No,
went to
it's
drop
the
my kids.
last minute messed up. No worries, no
Yeah,
worries. It's from my side. The team is not responsible for that. Okay, cool guys. Okay, guys. So let's have a very simple installation session today. I want you guys to set up your machine. Okay. So can anyone share a screen so that I can show you guys how we can going to install things on.
Sure. So every day it will be the same time, is it? From
Every day it will be the same time, 8 to 9.
okay, and we are starting it from today, right now.
Actually, we are starting it for tomorrow. Just I
Okay.
want to install Java in your machine so that we'll be ready for tomorrow session. Okay.
Okay.
Because setting up a machine is also, it's a whole task.
Yes. Yes.
So that
Uh,
Sorry. Sorry. Hello.
I think Ria is having some internet glitch. Uh,
would have been
no,
better
no,
if
Ria,
you
we
started
can't.
Sorry. We
from
are unable to
Monday.
hear you.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we can't hear you. Your voice is very much breaking.
Can you hear me?
Still, your voice is breaking a little.
Can you hear me now?
No worries. Do one thing. Do one thing. Do one thing. Just ping me on WhatsApp. Sorry, this Zoom chat. Whatever
Yeah,
question.
yeah, I will do that. I will do that.
Is perfect. All right. So anyone can share the screen, guys. Harsha, Sarang, Swapna, Vinay.
Yes, I'll share my screen.
Okay, she's saying it's better if we can start the classes from Monday onwards.
Yes, that would be
That
better
would be good.
according to
Okay,
me also.
but I have one announcement that 1 minute. Okay, next week I will be in one marriage, so probably
Mm-hmm.
I won't be available on 19th and 20th, and I
Okay.
won't be available on 18th as well because 18th I will be driving. Okay, so what we're
Okay.
gonna do? What we're gonna do is we are going to have our session on 21st and 22nd. That will be Saturday and Sunday. I will cover those 3 days in 21st and 22nd. Okay.
Now weekend. Do we have it?
Do sorry.
Do we need to have those classes on weekends?
Yes, because on 18, 19, 20th, that will be Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I will not be
Hmm.
available. So I will cover these 3 days session in 21st and 22nd. So that your whole week will be utilized. That's what I'm telling.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, Vaibhav, I have some clarifications. First thing
Sure.
is the session duration will be 1 hour, correct, right? Per day.
Session duration will be 1 hour, yes.
Okay, and it will be only weekdays or even it includes weekends as
It
well.
will be only weekdays. But as you know, as I'm not available 3 days, that's why I'm doing it on the weekend. But it will be only on weekdays, Monday to Friday.
Okay, it will be an 8. Yeah, it will be from 8 p.m. of Indian Standard Time.
8 p.m. in Eastern, 8 p.m. IST to 9 p.m. IST. It will be.
Okay. Okay. And one more thing, we're going to get the courses in the form of documents as well, correct, right? And recorded sessions as well.
Yes, yes, you'll have all the recordings and everything.
Okay. 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 Fine then.
Got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Thank
cool.
you.
Yes. So who was sharing the screen?
Me.
Okay. Yes, sir. All right.
Yes.
So, Asha, first thing is first we have to check whether Java is installed in your machine or not. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open CMD. If you guys are a Mac user, open terminal. If you guys are Windows user, open command prompt. And just write Java space hyphen version. Okay, so if you're gonna see that Java is not recognized as internal system, that means Java is not installed in your machine. If
Yes.
if it's gonna give you some kind of version, that means Java is installed. But we need Java 17, guys. Okay, so keep in
Okay.
mind we need Java 17. If you are having Java 8, Java 11, you guys have to upgrade it to Java 17. Okay, so how we can download the Java 17? So could you please open a new tab
Yes.
and just Google it. Google करो आप Java no, Java 17 download. So you're gonna have this Java SC archive download. Yes, click on it. Right. Scroll down a little. Right. Scroll down. Oh, you scroll down. Scroll down. Yes. Scroll down. Windows 64 installer you will have.
This one is it?
You're gonna have no. You're gonna have a link. Yes. Click on this download Oracle link. Yes. And just save it on your desktop. Okay. Downloads kar lo. No worries. Okay, guys, so like that, you can download Java 17 on your machine. Very simple. Okay, just open Google, search for Java 17 download, open the first link and go to your Windows. Whatever OS you are having, just go to that specific OS like Linux or Mac or Windows. Go for this and download it. Okay, once you download it, just double click on the installer, please. Click on next. Keep clicking on next.
Sorry, Vaipa, will the team size be as many members do we have today? No, that will be all, or do we have many more to come?
That actually Ria can confirm. I'm
Okay,
not sure about it. I'm just a trainer, to be honest. Okay. Right.
then no
Click
worries.
on the close. So you can see that there's a message that is a successfully installed. Click on close.
Yes.
And now open a new CMD. Do not open old CMD. Okay. No, if you will search here, it will again give you the same response. So you have to open new CMD because every time when command prompt open, it loads the real current environment variable. Now click on it. And this time you will see that Java 17.0.12 is installed in the machine. Got it, guys?
Yes.
So Java is installed in Harsha machine now. What about Sarang, Swapna, and Vinay? Can you guys do that for me?
Yeah, it's already installed in my machine.
Very good. Sarang and
17.
Swapna,
Yes.
what is your
No, my system is under maintenance. Once it's getting under the maintenance, so once it is getting, I will do that.
okay? So it's your responsibility. If
Yeah,
it's not done, then you ping me.
sure,
Okay?
sure. Okay. Oh,
Yes. What about Swapna?
I'll do it later. It's not my laptop, so yeah.
Okay, so again, it's your ownership, Swapna. Okay, you have to do
Yes,
it.
yes.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I was in a rush, so I have joined
No problem.
different laptops.
Okay, fine, guys. Okay. Now, next thing is we're gonna install IntelliJ. IntelliJ is an IDE, which is Integrated Development Environment. It's gonna help you to write your Java code on a daily basis. So what we're gonna do, again, we're gonna open a Chrome and we're gonna search for IntelliJ Community Edition. IntelliJ
IntelliJ.
download karo.
Is the spelling correct?
Ah, it's fine. IntelliJ download, yes. And just click on it. IntelliJ IDEA, first line. And not this one, scroll down, the black one, that was the community edition. Scroll down. No, no, not this one. Yes, this one. We need the community edition, guys. That is the ultimate edition. So you, yes, yes, just click on the download, click on download. Yes. So
So
community edition is free of cost, but ultimate is something 30 days. It is having 30 days license. So after 30 days, you have to renew your license. That is a, you have to pay something to that. So that's why I'm asking you to download community edition. Okay.
okay, okay. So how will this help us, the IntelliJ to
IntelliJ is like, okay. Suppose I am asking you to some thousand value. How will you add thousand values?
miss? Are these is this is for adding the test data? Is it
And
or
not for
the
just for example.
prerequisite?
So we can keep those value into Excel sheet and I can just put a formula for sum them up, right?
Okay.
Right? Or else we can use some other software. So what are those softwares? They are working, they are helping you to achieve some output, right? In the similar way, IDs are like. So IDs is something, it will give you that environment where you can write your code. Okay. So in IntelliJ, we're gonna write Java code. We're gonna write it's simply plug and play kind of tool sets. So we're gonna add IntelliJ. We're gonna add like TestNG. We're gonna add JUnit. We're gonna add Java. Everything we're gonna add, and you can run. You can just work on it together on a single project. So this is where IntelliJ helps us.
Okay, is this like Eclipse where we write the
Yes,
program?
it is like Eclipse only. Correct.
Okay, we are gonna write all our scripts here in IntelliJ.
In IntelliJ, yes. Because Eclipse is like little old. Nowadays, most of the places, IntelliJ is preferred. People are using IntelliJ.
Mhm.
Just double click on it and yes, click on next, click on next. No worries. Click on all the check boxes. Yes, click on next, install.
I can reboot it later, right?
Yes, yes. You can just reboot manually later. You can do that.
Okay.
Okay, cool. So now your IntelliJ and your Java is installed in your machine. All right, guys. So these are the two installation we need in order to start our sessions. Okay. As per
Yes.
the discussion, I think we're gonna have we're gonna start from Monday. Okay.
Okay.